So this is Garrett. It might be working now.
Oh, it's working now.
Okay, I'll hang up. I'll hang up. So I guess I've got my audio going. Okay. Oh, geez. Okay, let's see here. Okay. Yeah.
Good morning.
Morning, Judge. This is Garrett.
Hey, sorry.
Good morning, Your Honor.
This took a while. I'm on telephone only. Who am I talking to?
Good morning. Good morning, Your Honor. This is Dan Haverco.
I'm on telephone only. Who am I talking to?
Good morning. Good morning, Your Honor. This is Dan Haverco.
I'm on telephone only. Who am I talking to?
Good morning. Good morning.
Now, how do I stop that?
It's a lot of echo.
Okay, go ahead.
Who's the
Hello?
Judge? Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, so I guess the question is, who do we have? I see we have someone in the video, Nisqually video court, and I presume that is, well, it's either, it looks like female, from what I can tell. I'm looking at a very small video box. It's either Lisa Carey or Christina Russell. Who do we have?
I don't know.
So this is, I think what I heard her say was that's Lisa Carey. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. So, Your Honor, I think the first case up here is Lisa Michelle Carey. Matter comes on for an arraignment. It's an older case. It's from 2021.
21.
Yeah, and I presume the reason in part she's being held is she's failed to, according to JAB, she's failed to appear maybe a couple of times, and she's got some other outstanding warrants. So I think what we'd want to do is proceed with an arraignment and explore whether or not the court would be willing to address her conditions of release.
I agree. Good morning, ma'am. Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Is your full name Lisa Carey?
Lisa Michelle Carey.
You were cited with the offense of theft in the third degree, gross misdemeanor bearing a maximum penalty upon conviction of 364 days in jail and or a $5,000 fine. You've been before the court 4 times now with failing to appear. You keep getting released and you don't appear. What I'm going to do is appoint Mr. Haverco to enter a plea on your behalf, and we'll address conditions of release at that time.
And pursuant to that, Your Honor, would stipulate to probable cause and ask the court to enter a not guilty plea.
Ms. Carey, based on your 4 failures to appear, I'll hear from your attorney regarding the regarding bail or release.
Well, she would promise the court to appear for any and all future, court appearances. She apologizes for having missed court. It looks like the other warrants she has, I'm assuming they're probably non-extraditable. She's got one warrant from.
I think.
Go ahead.
I agree that they're not going to be extraditable.
Right. Yeah. So I guess it's just, I guess the question is for you, Your Honor, whether or not you're, willing to give her another opportunity to appear out of custody. If Your Honor were not inclined to release her, then I would suggest, just setting a really quick pretrial hearing like this Thursday at 8:30. If Your Honor decides not to release her, obviously she would like to be released and have the opportunity to appear out of custody voluntarily.
I think, given the presence of the other warrants and the 4 failures to appear after promising to do so, I'm going to set the bail at a nominal $250 and reset the matter to Thursday. Court is Thursday. of this week?
Uh, it is. Yeah, we have court this week.
Hey, great.
Yeah.
And the order will be sent down before the end of the morning. Ms. Carey, good luck. You can bail out, but if not, we'll address your matter again on Thursday. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
One down, two to go, I guess. Mr. Haverco, apologize for the my issues in signing in. I've done this. I've done that a few dozen times, but in a way different fashion.
My computer was telling me, giving me this dialog box, leave computer audio. And I kept thinking, I don't want to leave computer audio. It won't access my microphone. It just goes to show you never know how this stuff works. So I clicked on it to leave, and then it gave me the opportunity to come back in. And then when I came back in, it sort of straightened out the connection and got my microphone to work. So it's like
Oh boy, one of my problems was some of this. One of my problems was unless I entered all the numbers very quickly, it would repeat numbers I'd already entered before and say invalid and hang up on me. So I have to do it very quickly in the precise order, and good luck. You know what they say about old dogs and new tricks? I'm proving the veracity of that adage today.
So Lisa, this is Dan Haverco, your court-appointed attorney. If you could, you can go ahead and exit the little room you're in there, and then just go to the custody officer and tell them that court's ready for the next person. If you could do that.
Okay, sure.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Thanks, Garrett. Do we have any idea if the individual with the Mr. Rivero, does he need an interpreter? Do we know? Or
I don't know.
okay. Well, I guess we'll figure that out.
We'll find out in due course of time.
We don't believe that he needs one, but I guess we'll find out.
Okay.
He has two cases with kind of multiple charges here.
Yeah, they look like they're all the same incident though. It's just basically two different
Citations for some reason.
Yeah, but it's the same. Yeah.
Same incident,
It does not appear he needs one
Okay.
based on what I'm seeing.
Okay. Yeah, so it's just it's essentially five, I guess. Well, the reason is one's a set of driving offenses, one's non-driving. That's why there's two tickets.
Driving, non-driving, got it.
That's all. That's all. Yeah. So it's just.
So when we're done, what I'll do is I'll send you an email for the record, giving you the conditions of release, bail if any, and then we'll go from there.
Sounds good, Tom. Thank you.
Okay. You know what they say about old dogs and new tricks.
It's okay. It's day one.
And you also know, you already know something about my handwriting. A 7 and a 1 don't work the same way as each other.
Right. No worries. And it's day one. It'll be better moving forward.
Okay. And what that's well, we'll talk about that later. That was.
Well,
is there a way to? Well, we'll talk about it later.
Yeah. Well, the first time there's always some hiccups. Sometimes the first time around, and we'll get.
Well, especially when you're dealing with a cyber dinosaur like me.
Well,
Yeah, usually what I do from the squally, I call in, give them the meeting ID, and that's it. I don't need.
oh, I see.
Yeah, I'm already part of the panel or something. I'm not sure how it works.
You know, I downloaded the Zoom Workplace app on my laptop and
I
seems to
I'm
be
here at the office and I don't have that on the laptop I'm dealing with. So I
right.
have to deal with it as if I were a defendant, I guess.
So, oh, you're in the office today.
Oh no, actually, I was speaking and
Oh,
reading at the same time. I'm not in
oh,
the office. I'm at home.
okay.
I wish I was at the office. If this would be a little easier. But no,
So
that's my first video hearing by laptop.
we have another person in the room here, and she's female, and so I presume this is
Christina
Christina.
Russell.
Yeah, Christina Russell, and matter comes on for an arraignment. I'm trying to get Jabs to work here. It's a little slow. I was wanting to pull up her information. I think I did review a few minutes earlier. I think she missed a couple of
I don't think I missed anything. I think the officer was like just confused maybe, and maybe he thought he read something else that he knew. Because my court date, I mean, we also did look it up. I have no warrants and I have nothing else. Mhm.
so you are Christina Russell, correct?
Mhm. And
Good morning, ma'am.
every single one of my
Good mo-
arrests is the same thing, and I just don't understand what's going on. So I was like, I asked the roommates to help me out with that dynamic in the crosses.
So yeah, the case was originally filed on August 12, and there was I think an arraignment scheduled for August 28. She missed that date, and so uh, and it looks like it was reset. There was a warrant and then reset to September 11, and she failed to appear those two dates. It looks like two.
Mhm.
So yeah, so I guess let's start with the arraignment and then perhaps address conditions of release.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am. Are you able to hear me? Miss Russell, are you able to hear
Yes,
me?
sir, Emra.
Is your full name Christina Russell?
Yes, sir. No.
Ms. Russell, I'm going to appoint Mr. Haverco to represent you in this matter. You were cited for the offense of reckless burning. That's a misdemeanor. The maximum penalty on conviction would be 90 days in jail and or $1,000 fine. I do find probable cause for the issuance of the citation, and I'll hear from Mr. Haverco as to a plea on your behalf.
Thank you, Your Honor. Pursuant to that recitation, would stipulate to probable cause and ask the court to enter a not guilty plea.
Tell you. Huh?
Plea of not guilty has been entered on your behalf, Ms. Russell. That ensures your rights will prevail. With regard to release at this point, you haven't appeared, I think, 3 times. You were most released here recently, twice, and it didn't appear for court either time. And we heard nothing from you. I'm inclined to set some real nominal bail, but I'll hear from your attorney about that.
Well, I'm assuming this is, a kind of a transportation related, kind of issue. Um, I have dealt with her before. She certainly would like to take care of this, but but she would like to, she'd like the court to consider releasing her on her own recognizance and, have the opportunity to appear, over, of her own volition on the out of custody calendar if the court would indulge that. And yeah, I would note that she does not have any other outstanding warrants at this time, and so yeah, I think that would be her request.
Ms. Russell, I would very much like to release you. However, I have no faith in the fact that you will appear as ordered if you're released. I am going to, however, reduce bail to the nominal amount of $250. If you post that, you need to stay in touch with Mr. Haverco. He'll give you his contact information, and you need to appear Thursday for court. That'll be the order.
Okay, so am I getting out today or not?
Mr. Haverco, I did not understand that.
Oh, she was asking the court, Your Honor, whether or not she's going to get out today or not, and I would
If she
presume
posts bail,
right.
What? What? Is that it? Okay, thank you. Okay, sorry.
thank you, Ms. Russell.
Yeah,
Good luck
see
to you.
later.
Seems to be working okay.
It's so far so good. If I just get my voice back, be a little better.
I think it sounds pretty good.
That's usually I'm just on telephone only. Usually when I'm from Nisqually, I'll have the Zoom screen up as well, so I can see who I'm talking to. On here, I have no microphone and I have no no camera of any kind. So what I have to do in Nisqually is sign in twice. Once by telephone and the other by into Zoom directly.
All right. Looks like we've got someone.
Hello, can the court hear me?
Yes.
Mr. Rivero Gilberto has refused.
Oh,
Come again?
Mr. Rivero Gilberto has refused to come to court.
He will not come to court. Well, I am, for the record, going to find probable cause for the issuance to him of his citations for DWS third, operating the motor vehicle without ignition interlock, and failure to obey an officer. And we'll reset the arraignment to this Thursday, and we'll try again then. He has not appeared twice before, and any idea as to why he will not come to the phone or come to court?
He appears to be detoxing and was too ill to come out of bed.
Understood. That happens. Well, the best we can do is reset the matter to Thursday and see how he's doing then.
Thank you, Your Honor.
With that, I'll conclude this session of Yale Municipal Court, and I will be emailing the decisions down before the morning's over. Anything further, Mr. Averco?
Nothing else I can think of, Your Honor.
Good luck. I look forward to seeing you at some time in the not too distant future.
Okay.
Is my hope.
All right. Look
We'll
forward
see
to
how that goes. I can see some light at the clearing up ahead in this forest, but I'm hoping that's a clearing and not the headlights of an oncoming train. We will hope for the best. With that, I'll sign off.
Okay,
Thank-
thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Hey,